Hello, Class Steve. I'm Dr. John, and I'll be guiding you through this mission. Now, I will get straight to the point. You may be wondering what this object in front of me is. This disc is SCP-093, and when active, it will turn any mirror into a portal to another dimension. Through previous missions, we have learned that this dimension is an alternate timeline of our own universe. Most notably, it was a thriving world where something called the Hunt regularly occurred. We have recently detected anomalous energy coming from SCP-093 and suspect that the Hunt is occurring again. Your mission is to enter SCP-093, find the relic producing the anomalous energy, and bring it back here for further testing. I will be activating SCP-093 now. Good luck on your mission. The camera and audio equipment appear to be working. I no longer detect anomalous energy coming from the mirror. It looks like you will need to find the relic to reactivate it and escape. That's power. Try repairing the nearby electric box. Amazing work repairing the electrical box. Now push the button on the right. Oh no! It seems like some hostile entities are coming your way. Stop it. Great work killing those entities. Now you should repair the electrical box and find the keypad code. Terrific job repairing the electrical box. Now, you can try finding the code to open the door. Doing in a desert? And what are those large creatures? Regardless, the relic may be inside that house. Head over there, carefully. Did you see that? I think I saw more faceless entities. You'll need to break the doors. That basement door looks suspicious. Walking the stairs.
to the other rooms and finding an electrical box in the basement door. Nice. Now you can find out what was in the basement. Awesome. This seems to be related to the hunt. What was that roar just now? Creatures. Hurry back to the mirror before the creatures find you.